So is this going to be a reoccurring theme as we get into the next earnings season?
I think that's the big risk. And as I think overall for second quarter earnings are likely to be extremely good, but a lot of investors will be looking at the guidance, whether they see similar comments that Daimler had to make, trimming back or managing expectations down. That's what really everybody would be looking for. And if you were a CEO sitting in New York at the moment, I think that, or in the US or indeed in Europe at the moment, I think managing down expectations will probably be a prudent strategy. Better to manage down now and over-deliver later than remain upbeat and then maybe disappoint.
Hey, Clive, it's Hadley in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Let's talk about oil, because obviously this Russia-Saudi Arabia relationship has grown over the last couple of years. They're definitely on the same page when it comes to what they want to do in terms of boosting output. But a question for you, what happens if this doesn't get implemented in the next couple of months? What happens if there's a delay?
Well, clearly there'd be upside risk to energy prices. And that could, in combination with some of the other risks that are out there, you could see the beginnings of a convergence of some negative developments for markets. So I think it is very, very important that the supply increase, we actually do see that materialize, that the impact of developments in Iran are not so negative overall for global oil supplies. You mentioned earlier, maybe China could take up some of that slack from Euro area, which has been a big importer from Iran. But really what we don't want to see is a convergence of negative factors, or a convergence even of just disappointments. They don't have to be outright negative, but a series of disappointments could begin to crack the confidence, the underlying confidence that exists in asset markets at the moment. And that's why, without even commenting about the ECB's wind down of its quantitative easing.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.